Can you really start a profitable dropshipping store right now? Yes, but only if you pick the right products. In this video, I am sharing 5 trending product categories you can dropship right now using Doba, all verified, in stock, and ready to list in your store today. We will look at what makes each item sell, how to position it, and the kind of brand that you can build around it. Make sure to stay until the end because product number 5 is perfect for content creators and outdoor lovers. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most profitable niches on Doba right now: kids furniture products. Parents love spending money on products that make their kids happy, and these 3 Doba finds are absolute winners. First off, the twin over twin house bunk bed. It is a part playhouse, part bedroom centerpiece. The next one is the Jack's Zipline modular love seat, a soft, flexible couch that doubles as a fort or reading nook. And the Panda plush chair, the cutest little accent seat for toddlers. Now let's see why these types of products are starting to work right now and to sell a lot more. Parents are investing more in aesthetic kids' rooms and they are purchasing all of these essentials for their babies. These products combine function, fun, and photo appeal, perfect for Pinterest and Instagram. And they have a high perceived value, and that means that you can get a higher profit margin. Let's go through a brand idea and exactly how you can position these products as the perfect product to sell on social media. As the brand name, you can do tiny house co or little nest interiors. For the aesthetic, you can do warm, minimal, wooden tones, and the audience can be millennial parents ages 25 to 40 decorating playrooms or nurseries. For the marketing angle, you can do turn your child's room into a space they'll love to dream and play in. And with this brand, you can bundle matching decor such as rugs, bedding, wall art, and this way you can increase the average order value. Product number 2, cat lover essentials. So a niche that never stops selling, which are pet products. From Doba's catalog, these 2 stand out. The Dirty Dog Lounger Bed, a high-quality plush pet bed with soft microfiber. Or the Sisal Rope Toy Balls, durable and perfect for cats that love to chase and scratch. Why this works? Pet owners treat their cats like family. These products are affordable, evergreen, and giftable. They are lightweight and easy to ship, perfect for first-time dropshippers. As a brand idea, you can do Paw Heaven or Cozy Paws. Aesthetic, neutral, calming colors, cream, gray, beige. For audience, you can do cat moms, apartment dwellers, first-time pet parents. As an ad hook, you can do spoil your cat with comfort. They deserve it. And as a content idea, you can film a POV style TikTok, cat ignoring every toy except yours. And you can add the text overlay, finally, a toy they actually play with. For product number 3, we can go for elegant jewelry, as Doba has the perfect stock of these. So for example, the woman's leaf zircon ring. Simple, elegant, and under $10 wholesale, this piece is perfect for fashion or gift stores. It works because jewelry is an evergreen impulse buy. It is ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, or Valentine's Day. It has low cost but a huge markup potential. As a brand idea, you can do Lunara Jewels or Amora Studio. As an aesthetic, you can do blush tones, rose gold, elegant serif fonts. For the audience, women 20 to 35 who love dainty, meaningful jewelry. The ad hook can be subtle, elegant, and under $30. Meet your new everyday favorite. As a pro tip, you can bundle rings with matching bracelets or earrings and offer 3 for $49 to increase cart value. For the 4th product, we can do trendy women's eyewear. From Doba suppliers Iris Fashion, you can find luxury square gradient frames, rhinestone cat eye glasses, and classic retro black shades, all under $7 each, shipping in 1 business day. So why does it work? Because sunglasses are seasonless fashion staples. It is great for TikTok and Instagram styling videos, and it has a 400% markup potential if branded right. As a brand idea, you can do Shade Society or Luxe Eyes. The aesthetic can be black, gold, and white minimalist packaging. The audience can be fashion-forward women 18 to 35. The ad hook can be luxury look, not so luxury price. As a content idea, you can do a POV. Which one are you? Video comparing each style, square, cat eye, rhinestone, and let followers comment their favorite. And for product number 5, I have the portable grill for outdoor lovers and camping enthusiasts. This one is perfect for camping, tailgates, and backyard cookouts. It works because outdoor lifestyle content is exploding on TikTok and in any short form even. Affordable at $35.50 but sells for $70 to $90 retail. It ships from the US, which means quick delivery and happy customers. As a brand idea, you can do Campfire Co. or Grill Made Gear. For the aesthetic, you can do black, red, outdoorsy tone. For the audience, outdoor enthusiasts, weekend campers, dads, and barbecue lovers. The ad hook can be folds flat, grills anywhere, the ultimate portable barbecue. For a content idea, you can show a demo reel, unfold grill lighting, sizzling food, and pack up in seconds. You can add a trending sound and a short text overlay. Every camper needs this. So there you have it. 5 real ready-to-list products that you can start dropshipping right now with Doba. I have a full tutorial on how to integrate Doba with Shopify or the platform that you want to sell products on, so make sure to click right here to watch it. No matter what niche you want to start a brand in, Doba has the perfect product for you. So I highly suggest clicking the link in the description and trying out Doba for your dropshipping business. If you've enjoyed the video and it helped you out understand what types of products you can start selling right now or profit from Doba, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!